Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to view ongoing TikTok flash sale. So here on TikTok, if you want to go some shopping and want to know what is on the flash sale, you can just go to shop at the bottom here, and then after you go to shop, you can see there is the flash sale section, and here is what the now on flash sale, and you can just click on the flash sale to see more products on the flash sale. You can just click on here the flash sale, and it will show the flash sale page, and if you want to buy, you can just click on buy, or if you want to add it to cart, just click on the cart icon here. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can view ongoing TikTok flash sale. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.